Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on continuous random variables, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics, statistics S2. Code is 970961, November 20. The paper I have taken from November 20. So this question has two parts, and the concepts you need to apply here, I have given the hint of this so that you can recall it. In this diagram, now if you see here, this bold line is showing a function f of x is equals to k. Because if you remember in the coordinate geometry, when you have xy plane and there is a line, for example, passing through 3, what is the equation of this line? Y is equals to 3. Similarly, the equation of this line is f of x equals to k. And we know when we are showing the probability density function, right, for random variable x between 0 to a, that we can see from here also, because more than 0 and less than 0 it is 0. So it means this whole area is equals to 1. This is what the property also explains to you. So if you have to express k in terms of a, this is forming a rectangle straight away. So you can say k times a equals to 1, right? So if k times a equals to 1 and you have to express k in terms of a, so it is straight away 1 over a, and that's why it has only 1 mark. Now let's come to part 2. In part 2, variance of x is given to you, which is 3, and you have to find out a. Now again you have to recall the formula which is given to you in MF19. Here it is. So you will multiply function by x square for all values of x. So what are my values of x here? 0 to a, right? 0 to a, which is completely covering the entire value of area. And for mu, which I will plug in here, the formula for mu is, again for all values of x, function multiplied by x. And what is my function? Function is k. I have shown you here. That was a straight line. So it was f of x equals to k. And limits are from 0 to a. This is what we will apply here. Now, just a minute. The common mistake made at times by students, they consider mu square also with this integral sign. Please remember, integral function ends here. Mu square is outside, okay? So do not include it inside the integral sign, okay? So let's start solving it here. So function is f of x equals to k, we can see here, and we are going to apply this formula, okay? So you can see here, x square is here, function is k and dx minus mu square. Now k is a constant, right, because it was passing through the y-axis you have seen. We have to find mu first because I want to substitute mu here. So let's see. For mu, we will apply this formula. Okay, function multiplied by x. So again, k is a constant, it will go out. And you know how to integrate x with respect to dx. So it will be x square upon 2 and limits are from 0 to a. Okay, so upper limit minus lower limit, you know that. It will be ka square upon 2. And why did I write square here? Because I have to substitute here the square value. You can see here. So that's why I have it square, the whole thing. This was only mu. Okay. So now I'm going to plug in here the values. So this is given to me that variance of x is equals to 3. And k I'm taking outside. So integral of x square is x cube over 3. 0 to a are my limits. And I'm plugging in the value of mu square. After that, apply the limits. Now I'm just rearranging it. What is the reason why I'm rearranging? What comes in your mind? What will happen now? This k upon 3 can be written as 1 upon 3 times k. Similarly, upon 4 can be written 1 upon 4 times k square into a power 4. Why I'm doing this? I have to find out the value of a. So from part 1, I know k is what? K is equals to 1 over a. So I'm going to plug in this value. So I will have equation in terms of a only, and I will be able to solve it. Agreed? So here I have substituted the value of k, and then I'm simplifying it. Right, simple calculation, I hope no problem. Then you will take LCM, which will be 12. And after that you will get the value of a. Okay, so what was the question saying here? If you see, it was given here in the domain x is greater than 0, right? So that's why I did not consider here the negative value of a, because when we have a square root we take plus minus 6. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you understood. If you have any query, you can write in the comments. Please press like and subscribe.